everybody was panicking because stock markets was crashing today. S&P 500 was down. Nasdaq down more than 1.43% at the lowest point, and Dow Jones is also down so much. And what happened? Everybody was panicking, but I was making over 67,000 within 10 minutes. In this video, I'm going to show you how I did it step by step from one stock. I also use advanced option. So welcome to World Traveling Millionaire Stock Investor and Option Trader channel. Why did stock market crash today? It crashed because of Anthropic, right? Then the news came out, Anthropic was designing an AI tool, going to launch AI tool that's going to help with legal. So legal software, data services stocks, they drop. And also other software companies, they also drop too because we still have concern. Would AI replace software stock? But there's one stock that's up this year, which is the beneficiary of AI revolutions. ASML, year to date up 20%, right? So this ASML, they manufacture chip equipment, and that manufacture semiconductor chips. So ASML, I had ASML. This is on January 30th. My average cost was 753, and at the time 1423. So my gain was 89%, 67,000. So pretty good, right? Almost double. Actually, it's double at one point. ASML hit 1493.48. So it's 98%. So it's double. But it hasn't been that way all the time, right? In April, I had it for about 1 year, more than 1 year, ASML. So April 8, 2025, ASML was only 595. So basically, I was down 20,000, almost 20,000. So just imagine you invested 75,000 into one of the shares of ASML, and then one day, because of Liberation Day, tariff, stock market crash, and you are down 20,000 on ASML. Not only ASML, everything in the portfolio. Everything in the portfolio. So, but investing needs patience. If you look at, if you find a stock much earlier, then your average cost will be much lower. I found this, I was DCA ASML on September 19, 592.77. I sent an alert to my patrons. I DCA. That was 2 years and 4 months. So if you calculate it, it's more than 150% return at the top, 1493, the price. So another one, I also DCA on September 18, 2024. At the time, it was only 787, right? 787. So DCA also hard. So you are not paying too much, and also you are not paying too low. It's very hard to catch bottom, and sometimes you can catch at the top. That's what happens. So when you catch at the top, your best strategy will be DCA. If it's a great company, if it's a bad company, it's better get out as quickly as possible. So if you want to learn more about stock investing and option trading, subscribe to this channel. So what does ASML do? This is very, very important. They manufacture EUV lithography. So they are the monopoly. They are the only companies that makes this machine, which could manufacture high-end AI chips. So like TSMC, the TSMC have about more than 90% manufacturing capacity because it is related to AI. If you go to NVIDIA, Broadcom, Marvel, or Google, or they also make custom chips, they need to go to ASML. ASML, they need to buy these machines to manufacture advanced AI chips. So this is a monopoly. Okay. So how do you know that this is a great company? I have my 5 secrets. right? 5 secrets. Secret number 1 is it has to be S&P 500, 152.51%. Right? S&P 500, the past 5 years, only 78%. So definitely be S&P 500. So another thing is that second criteria, second secret, is it has to be in business for at least 10 years. So this was founded on 1984, way more than 10 years. Why 10 years? A business has to go through business cycle. 10 years is enough time. It's just like looking for a great husband, right? So if you are a lady, you want to look for a great husband, it's a great idea to see if he has 10 years of experience, working experience, adult life, right? Being independent, stuff like that, taking care of his parents and stuff. Very, very good sign that he could do really well in the next 10 years, 20 years, 30 years. Very, very important. And my third criteria is, has it been a public company for at least 5 years? Yeah, it has been a public company for a long, long time. If you look at this. That's my third criteria, my third secret to successful stock investing and option trading. Then number 4, do I need this business? I told you about what they do. Definitely they are monopoly. I mean, who else can manufacture a machine like this, right? So I like their business, but just be careful about the stock. If you want to buy this stock has quite dramatic move, down, up, down. So from this top right here, 2021 November 12. So right here October 7, 2022. This is a bear market. It was down. So right here from the top, July 5th, 2024 to right here is August 1, 2025. It's almost 1 year. Nothing. If you bought it at the top, you will feel like you're holding for a long time. But if you DC, before you know it, you're going to be making so much money, just like me. I did. So that's how you choose a great company. It's very, very important. This is number 4 criteria. Number 5, financial statements. Just look at their balance sheet, income statement. Their revenue has been going up. Their net income has been going up. Has it been invested in R&D? Oh, another one thing very important. When the stock was down, at this time, not doing anything, it's just like a man working on his dream at home. He may not go out, so he may not be popular with girls, right? So if you see a guy who's very popular with the girls, most likely he goes out all the time. Just like this stock, behind his success, he has been working alone in his home for a long time. No one is not popular, nobody wanted to buy at the time. Then he was working. Then once he becomes successful, he go out to the public world. He becomes famous, and he gets so many girls. Just like this. This stock has become very popular. Very recently, year to date, 90%, 20% up. It's very, very normal for that. So, yeah, the market's open, so it's down a little bit. But then, hey, just wait. It could pull back. I sold this stock. Why did I sell this stock? Because I believe that the rent has a little bit too much, and I need cash to buy other stock. There are so many other stocks that's undervalued right now. I need cash for that. There are only few reasons that you want to sell the stock. One thing is you need cash. The second thing is you find better opportunity. The third thing is bad news, right? Bad news means that the business changed forever, just like Macy or department store, Sears. With Amazon, online shopping becomes popular, all these companies become obsolete. So you want to get out of the retail space. So in this case, my reason was I need cash to buy other companies. More value, may not necessarily be better companies, but value. So if you want to learn more, I'm going to show you how to do option trading. But another thing is that if you buy 100 shares, you can do advanced option. I sold this call option, I made 3,000. So how did I do that? I'm going to show you step by step. Once you have 100 shares, you can sell option. So let's say this option, if you want to sell 1435, you get paid $7.70. So which means that one option represents 100 shares. So you get paid $750. If you want to get paid 1,000, you just go down a little bit, you know. So 1425, you're gonna get paid 10,000 or 1,000 every week. So you do it every week you get paid. Then you travel around the world, or you just stay home, whatever you like. Of course, one thing you should know is that if a stock shoot up, let's say it reached 1430 or 1450, you sold it at 1425, you only get paid 1425 per share. That's it, you are giving up the upside to get regular income. So you do it every week, but you need to have 100 shares. Let's say you don't have 75,000 or 100,000 sitting around, you can always choose 100 shares that you can buy with 10,000 if you have 10,000, or 20,000 if you have 20,000. Just within your budget, just make sure you choose the best company, great companies, and lower price point. Make sure it's enough value, and make sure that it meets all my 5 secrets criteria. That's very important. If you want to learn more, go to my summary stock option trade crypto, go to the playlist. You can reach out to me on if you comment down below, there is a mentorship call. The link is in the description, comment down below. Share, subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Bye.